Introducing the 2019 Volvo Xc90 D5 AWD ED 5-door auto in sleek grey. This MPV is packed with premium features like ambient lighting, satellite navigation and collision avoidance braking. With ABS, multiple airbags and lane departure warning, this vehicle puts safety first. Enjoy luxury trim, third-row seats and privacy glass for added comfort and style. Rest assured, this Volvo has undergone a full health and safety check and is serviced to manufacturer specification. Plus, it comes with a comprehensive warranty for your peace of mind. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line vehicle. Call us today or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information. Drive home in luxury and safety with the 2019 Volvo Xc90 D5 AWD ED 5-door auto.